Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join a class in Google Classroom step by step. Whether your teacher shared a class code or sent you an invitation, joining a class is quick and easy. So let's get started. First, open Google Classroom and sign in with your Google account. Once you're on the Classroom homepage, click the plus icon in the top right corner. From the menu, select Join Class. Now enter the class code provided by your teacher. Make sure you enter the code exactly as it was given. After entering the code, click Join. Google Classroom will add you to the class and take you directly to the class page. If your teacher invited you by email instead, simply open the invitation and click Join. Once you've joined, you'll be able to view assignments, announcements, class materials, and upcoming deadlines. And that's it. You've successfully joined a class in Google Classroom. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Classroom tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.